it changed totally the way of the designs, because it saves so much time on the one thing. You can adapt changes based by procurement or something, other panels in a very short way. But I think the most important, and this is a main answer on this, is if I have a student, he's starting to make his internship in our company, after 2 weeks he can work with PVcase perfectly. Only engineer have to check the designs, and I think that describes the simple use interface. I don't know how I call it, but how it works, like to work with this, and it makes so easy. And yeah, that helps us a lot. And of course, all the data what we can put out of Excel or something to put it in the next calculation tools help us a lot. And yeah, and the most important thing is the software is very good. We have no crashes or something like this, and I think that helps us the most things, and that's changed everything. Then you have a lot of tools. Every month we have an update inside every 3 weeks with new functions, and these functions are really things what we need and improve the whole process for design solar farms. I had the case last year that we have a very bad topography, and the funny thing was that my guys had some problems, and later they saw, oh, PVcase has this function. Oh, we can use it. So I said to my guys, read every newsletter, because maybe it improves the engineering process for us. So that is great. The support is awesome on this. Yeah. I see there are some other suppliers, but nobody is really on this level like PVcase. I can say the services, if we have a problem, we can write them on different ways, and the answer is in the next 2-3 hours there. Very important, because we don't have 3 days to waiting for a solution on the designs. If we don't have these fast or quick as answers, we have to do the designs again, and this costs me resources. And everyone knows the solar market is so busy. Resources are very, very, limited. Yeah, that's exactly the word. And I think PVcase help us very much with resources, because it makes so many things automatically. And the good thing is we know that we still need the engineers. It will not remove all the engineers, and this is, I think, a great stuff. Yeah.